Hey darlings, I'm going to show you all how to use the Easy Last incense powder. It's real simple. Now some of you complain that you don't have nothing to burn it on, and everybody has something at home that they can use. So you can use one of your ceramic plates. Don't use a plastic plate, that goes without saying, but you can use the front part or the back part. Now I have this oil incense burner. It doesn't seem better days. Look at that right there. Oh my goodness. I have been very rough with this. So I'm going to use the bottom part of this. And it's real simple, easy peasy. I'm going to show you how to do it. And I'm going to include this with every order. I make this, if you have your own scooper, that's fine. You can just throw this away. But if you don't have it, this will come in really handy, and that's why I made it for you. So what you do is that you use the little scooper I gave you, or any scooper that you have, you scoop it out right there, okay? And now what we're going to do is we're going to make ourselves a little mountain here. Put that right there, there. And then what you do is just bring it into together, and it bonds real well. And you make a little mountain, and you look your little tip right there. See, look, isn't that pretty? And then all you do is you light the top of it like that. Right? Blow on it a little bit. And look at there. It's just, oh, it smells so divine. Okay, now, while this is burning, you don't need to put this on a charcoal, because it's 7 at and what I do is I'll say a prayer, say an incantation chant, and I set the timer for 3 minutes. And that's when I go. Now you can do this 3 times a day, or you can do it once a day, 3 times each day, consecutively. And if you really want to go wild, you could do it 3 times a day for 3 days, for 3 days in a row. I always like to go 3. So I'm going to set the timer for 3 minutes, and then I'm going to do it once in the morning. Then I'm going to do it a second time in the afternoon. And it, oh, that smells so good. Oh my goodness. And then I do it the 3rd time at night. And then I do that for 3 days. Let it go out into the ethers, and people just making your life so easy. The last time I did this, someone sent an order of food. Like, you know how they have them delivery people come and drop food off? And I said, I didn't order any food. What exactly doing here? So when I called the restaurant, they said, oh, you can just keep it. They made a wrong order. But by the time they sent somebody over there to get it, that food going to be cold. So you can go in and eat it. And I was like, searching, and I was like, look at her. You're the merch spilling. I love it. But anyway, that cayenne, it smells so good. It's a good smoker. And like I said, if you have the kit, I'm going to go into more details about how to use the kit. But you're really going to love this. Okay, I'm going to have to cut that off because I just ran my mouth. I'm supposed to make these videos short and sweet. But anyway, I hope you understand how to use it. If you have any questions, you know how to DM me or send me an email, okay? You all have a good one. Bye.